So this is it. Last upgrade to my Lenovo iPad t420 just arrived. A few months ago, I started my escape from the Apple ecosystem. After switching from iPhone to Samsung Galaxy S9, it came time for my laptop. I sold my 2015 MacBook Pro and bought Lenovo Thinkpad t420. Lenovo compared to MacBook was so cheap I had plenty of leftover money to upgrade it. So the fun project started. It came with Intel i5 Sandy Bridge CPU, 2 gigs of RAM, 1600 by 900 display, 512 gigabytes of hard disk drive, and it was in overall very good condition. So the first and most obvious upgrade was to replace the hard disk drive with a solid state drive and install some beginner-friendly Linux distribution. Next in line was RAM. I left no room for additional improvement by installing 16 gigs HyperX Impact Black DDR3L. Usually I could stop here and be happy, but I had too much fun. I bought a salvaged 4-core i7 mobile CPU, 2670QM. I know well that this can cause thermal issues, so I made sure that the cooling system was in good condition and bought the best thermal paste I could find. Now, the t420s are well known for having crappy display, and I just came from having a Retina MacBook. Therefore, I had to order both a new Full HD IPS display as well as a converter to make it work with Thinkpad. I ordered both on AliExpress. Putting it all together wasn't easy because the converter I got was designed to be jammed behind the display. I had to watch out for pressure points that it was causing. So finally it was all assembled. There was one last gripe I had. You see, I live in Europe and unfortunately we have some moronic keyboard layout standard. Like, what the fuck is this or this? So, yeah, it's easy to buy some third-party keyboard for the Thinkpad in any layout you want, but most of OEMs are crappy and the original keyboard is like the best keyboard put in any laptop ever. So I finally found a used one with US layout and in a good condition to make this project complete. Here you can also see how easy it is to tinker with this laptop. Thanks for watching.